What's up everyone, it's day 2 in Madrid. I am out here for a walk. I am still living in my hotel because I'm moving into my dorm tomorrow. My luggage was lost when I came yesterday, so I just have a couple of pairs of clothes which I need to survive on for the next few days. I just washed them and but they found my luggage, so now it's gonna come tomorrow, I think. No, day after tomorrow. So I still have a few days, but I'm out here for a walk today. Super beautiful. I'm gonna meet up with a few friends which I've never met before. They are totally new. I've met them online, so I'm gonna hang out with them somewhere. One of them actually goes to the university that I'm gonna be studying at in Madrid, and the other two are from my university in America, so it's gonna be super fun.